Welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. This is an updated video for our rain barrels. This is an updated video. This is going to be an updated video for our rain barrels. One of the comments in the section from James Thornberry asked how we're going to get water out of this barrel because the transfer is on the top and there's only one spigot and it's on this side of the barrel. So initially when I told Mal that we were going to make this video and I ordered the supplies to do it, I had already marked on the bottom of the barrel here to put this down at the bottom. That way when water comes in, they both fill up together, and then as you're draining water out of that spigot, they drain together that way. And then I read the directions like 2 minutes before we were going to shoot that video, and the directions said to put the transfer up at the top. Without even thinking, that's what I did. So later that night, as we're laying down in bed, I got to thinking about it and realized the exact same thing that James commented in our video, that there's no way I can get water out of this barrel. So luckily I do have an additional spigot. So what we're going to do in this case is we're going to put a spigot down here on this barrel, and I don't feel like getting wet this morning, so I brought my assistant. We're going to start here, and we're going to start drilling, and drill fast. Go. Down. Lower? Right there. Yep. Push. Then push. Yeah.
I couldn't get it.
Plug the hole. Now go.
Well, I gotta. Hang on. Luckily where we live it rains a lot, so one rain that'd be filled right back up. I was thinking I could get this in there, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to. So yeah, if I was to do it over, I would have done it exactly how I had it planned out initially. I would have the pipe that connects the two barrels together, I would just measure up about 6 inches from the bottom and make it level between the two barrels. Either way will work.
Can I land it?
Butt flop.
It's actually not that bad.
Here, I'm gonna go get Dylan.
That's cold.
I'm kind of glad we made the mistake now.
That's cold.
An excuse to have fun and play in the water. Oh yeah, by the way, what the heck happened to your head?
I cut it off.
After, what, like 3 or 4 years of growing your hair out?
Yeah.
Shaved your head?
Cold.
All right, let him jump in it.
Oh, that's cold. It's not cold. Jump in it.
Do a butt bounce.
Oh, wait, it's not cold. Yeah.
Here.
Uh-oh.
Stick your head in it, Dee.
Uh-uh. Do it. Ready? Do that.
Do it, Dee.
Good.
It's getting low now.
Hurry. Put your head right here.
Not your
ear?
face.
Your hands in the way.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get low. Oh! You gotta lay in it.
We need an outdoor shower. That's next on the list.
A list of what?
Things.
Your projects that you come up with every day?
Yep.
It looks like a waterfall now.
Oh, whoa!
Yeah.
Oh, there's water coming from under here. What's that?
So the good thing about the earth-minded equipment for these rain barrels is they have little rubber grommets that you just bend and you can stick in the hole that you pre-drill. The other manufacturers that make equipment for this require you to cut the top of the barrel off, and then like this piece will go through and you got to reach down inside there and tighten a threaded piece on. So with these you don't have to cut the top of the barrel off.
On the other video, someone commented that I think they had their top cut off because that makes it easier for cleaning it out. So
That one's cold.
From my experience, as long as the barrel's sealed up and it's not in direct sunlight all the time, there's no real issue with it growing algae or mold or anything. So see how tight that is? And now there's a spigot on this one. So now we just gotta wait for a rain, fill it back up. So it's supposed to rain tonight, it'll be filled back up tonight.
Got to turn this on?
show them it works.
Very powerful. Oh, it's cold.
Okay.
All right, cut it off. Yeah, so that rain barrel there points to the greenhouse, so we'll use that one to water the greenhouse. And that spigot that I just put on points out here to the pasture, and so we'll use that for the animals' water. Are you wet? And the cool thing about the earth-minded equipment where you can tie the barrels together is you can just keep tying them together, as you know, tie as many together as you need.
Next up is to put concrete down at the bottom and level that up.
Yeah.
I mean,
As long as you stop coming up with projects due, I can get on the concrete.
we probably want to do that before they're filled back up.
Yeah, we really do. Now that we've updated you on the rain barrels, follow us into the pasture. We'll show you what we worked on yesterday. $180-foot zip line in our backyard.
kind of scary.
All right, since you're holding the camera with one hand, I won't whip you fast. I'm just gonna let you go.
Okay. Yep.
Here we go.